Well, the very first thing that you need to consider is a lot of people, when they see their hard drive is malfunctioning or they hear some sort of noise, the very first thing to do is not to do anything with the drive. Do not try to power on the drive. Do not to try to find out or troubleshoot this situation yourself. You don't have the equipment. You're not in the right facility to do that diagnostic. It's a very important and very sensitive matter to pay attention to, because if you push the drive, if the drive is mechanically malfunctioning or any other reason, by turning on the drive or trying to troubleshoot it yourself, it can cause more damage to the drive. It's like driving a car with a flat tire. You should pull over and find out, replace the tire, or have a mechanic to do the work. So that's the same thing. It's also more important because you have sensitive data. In running the drive, if mechanically failing, that head can scratch the platter and it can cause an unrepairable damage to the surface, that the surface cannot be polished anymore and the media cannot be accessed from the surface of the drive. It's the same thing with solid state drive. A lot of people say, oh, I have solid state drive. How about that? So even solid state drives, those chipsets are managed by a firmware on those controller board, which if they're failing, running it over time, it can cause more damage to the drive, and the data recovery can be more difficult and more expensive, and sometimes it's impossible.